All right, Becky here from Frenzied Printing. I'm going to show you how to load some filament and what to do if you're having trouble loading the filament. This is just one tip. I'm sure there's others out there, but what you're going to do to load filament is you're going to slowly push it forward this way up into the Bowden tube. All right, and then you'll see it move down this little tube right here. I can see through it, kind of. Once it gets to this spot, you'll feel a little bit of resistance, right? A little bit of resistance right here. And then if you look here on the side, you can see what happens if you push just a little bit more. A little flap opened up in here, it's metal. And once you see that metal flap, click open, you feel resistance. So it's not gonna pull backwards easily anyway. You could still do it, it's just not gonna be easy. All right, so it's not fully loaded yet because if you look down here, none of these are lit up, so we don't have any filament reading in here yet. So in order to make it do that, you got to push just a little bit harder until you hear that noise. And then you can see there, I have my filament spool lit up, meaning it knows that it's in there. So this filament is not green PETG, it's red PLA. So I need to change it. How can I do that? You can click on the filament spool, then you can click the type. So this one here is PLA, and then you have to click this little check mark, and then I want the color to be red. So I click here and I click the check mark. Now, if this was some crazy like custom color and you're one of those people that just want it to read correctly on the machine, even though it doesn't really matter, you just select which spool slot to assign to that color in the slicer when you go to print. But if you like things matchy-matchy, you can go ahead and click this little edit pencil and enter the hex key, like the numerical hex key code for the color of your filament. You enter it in there, and then you hit the little check mark when you're done, and it will save it as the actual color that it actually is. I'm just gonna use red and click the check mark. Okay, I'm all done, it's loaded. Now, what happens if you are pushing this in and you're not hearing the beep? I have a tip for you on that, and I'm sure that there's more than one way to skin a cat, right? But I'm going to tell you what worked for me particularly. Let me just put the camera down so I can use both of my hands. Hold on a second. All right, here's what works for me specifically in the past. This has happened to me just yesterday. If I'm pushing and pushing and pushing and it's not making that audible, happy little noise that it has been loaded, I just push down on the collet here. If this is down in your way, just push it up out of the way. But you push on this little white collet. You might have to use 2 thumbs to push it down till you feel it go down. Then once you do, you pull up on the Bowden tube and you'll have some filament exposed. If you don't, go ahead and push it forward till you do. Now, sometimes this might not have that happy little loading noise happen because it's too curly. It might be like some end of the spool filament, right? It might be really, really bent, and it's just not hitting the trigger to like make it load. Take it off, try to straighten it out. If you can't straighten it out very well, try to, if it's curling this way when you're putting it in, try to twist it a little and curl it forward. Try to twist it a little more and curl it to the side. Eventually you'll get it. It's kind of like fishing. You just put it in till you hear it, and then you can slide the Bowden tube back down and click it in and tug up on it just to make sure that it's really connected. Now, because I put some pressure on my tool head, I'm gonna run the auto level before I do any prints just to be certain that they come out good quality. And there you have it. There's my tip. Hope it helps somebody.